So the actual package came with the cards, as you can see here, and I think it's split between the majors and the minors. And then it comes with a 3D printed Black Madonna statue, which is really cool. I mean, it's like a little cute statue, which is perfect. I thought that was so cool. It comes with a rosary. It also came with the guidebook, and this is 160 pages. It's a 79 card tarot deck, but it has 80 cards because you have an extra title card in here. So this is a 160 page guidebook, and the cards were printed with matte scratch proof finish, with a matte scratch proof finish and black edges. So yeah, we can see that. Oh, these are gorgeous. I mean, look at the seal, the sticker, the card. I mean, this is beautiful. I was so excited. And then this right here came wrapped, and this is actually the tarot pouch with the image of the Black Madonna on a holy card. So okay, you guys, so this is, again, the Mysteries of the Black Madonna tarot deck. And this is by HETTIENNE GROBLER. I believe that's how it's pronounced. I hope I'm not butchering that name. But let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what's going on in here. Isn't that amazing? Let's see what the back says. It says, the blessings of the mother can be evoked through invocation of her name and by contemplation of her holy image. This deck is a pilgrim's journal, and each card an altar for the undertaking of an inner pilgrimage to the sanctuary and heart of the Black Madonna. Well, so much for that. Okay, so as you can see, you get this little sort of slip of paper right here. Let's check this out now, because I'm only a little confused. Okay, so this must be the title card. Okay, so now I see. So there it is, you guys. I wanted you, oh, and don't forget, I wanted you to see what this was all about. I'm gonna give you a quick run through one more time of the cards. Now, here's the thing. I don't take that lightly. $190 is a lot of money. I do love this deck. However, I have my issues with it. I've worked with it for a year now. This is why I'm coming back to show you this in more detail, because I didn't have studio lighting back then, so it wasn't very good. Some of the depictions were dark. Here's my problem with the deck. For the amount of money that I paid, everything is perfect, but some of the photos where you can actually see the boxes, you can barely see the details of the Black Madonna. You can barely see some of the details on some of the things because the pictures are kind of fuzzy. I almost feel like they needed to be sharpened more when they were shooting these photos, and they needed better lighting. Or maybe it was because they didn't want the lighting reflecting off the statues, but really, like, in some of these you will see it's kind of hard to see the Black Madonna, and I hate that because the deck was so expensive. The full, which was in this deck, is the Red Cloak. This is Madonna Mystica, the Magician. So I'm trying to show you guys these cards. The Bride, which would be the High Priestess. And I don't know if you guys can see, but even in here, guys, it's kind of hard to see the details. I would like to see it a little bit more clearly than that. And see, like this is a very dark box, and it makes it very difficult to kind of see the detail and what's going on in certain pieces of it. So again, doesn't bother me. As long as you have a basic knowledge of the tarot, you should be fine. But again, guys, when you're delving into more expensive and deeper decks like that, you kind of want the deck to make sure that it matches the price, right? And this definitely does, but in certain cards, like this one's perfect. It's a brighter card, so it's easier to see, right? But look at this one. This one is a good, for instance, right here. So I'm gonna bring this in. As you can see, like, it's almost completely blanked out, this Black Madonna right here. So, and look at the top, like it's almost looks like there's no lighting on it, or wasn't enough lighting. The lighting almost looks more greenish, and it could be the color of the box, absolutely. But again, for the price, you guys, you want to be able to see inside the box in detail. And I really feel like on some of these cards, it missed the mark. And I get it, like, you know, some people might bite my head off about that, and it's fine, I get it. But to me, guys, for anybody out there who's spending this kind of money, that's an investment, okay? That's not a joke to me. So I'd like to be able to see the details and everything if I'm going to purchase this. When I purchased this, yes, I was fangirling a little bit over it, and that's why I bought it. Oh, and another thing, this is the Mother and Holy Child, number 6, which would be the Lovers, right? So you also get the beloved. So you get a choice of either one you want to use, or you can keep them both in the deck. And you know, for this, to me, this is more the love of a mother or a child. So if it's more of a reading about family or children or anything like that, you might want to use the mother and the child in the deck. We've got the Sacred Barge, a very beautiful card. This one didn't give me too much hassle. So yeah, like look at this one. You see on the statue, you can't see her face. Like it's almost too blurry, and it's like the lighting was off. You can almost see the lighting hitting this direction, but not here. You can see this one pretty clearly. Let's see. This one, oh look, here's another one. Again, look how difficult that is to see. Fiery water, which would be temperance. We've got Holy Grandmother of the Weave, which would be the devil. See, this is a good example of one that is great. It's real easy to see. You can see the statue and all of the details. This would be the sun, another beautiful card. You can see all the detail. Oh, isn't that a gorgeous box? Doesn't that just evoke emotions of, I don't know, vitality? It's just gorgeous. The sorrowful mother, which would be judgment. And then you've got the world, the great rose. Look at that. It's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Really hard to see some of these. So I'm just going to go through and let y'all see the suit. So the wells are the cups. And this was the order she told me to put them in. This is how she wanted them ordered. I was like, okay. Okay, the Ace of Holy Trees. So the trees are wands. There you go. That way y'all can see that. This would be the Ace of Black Veil, which is the swords. Veils are swords. The Queen of Swords. Isn't that gorgeous? Oof, beautiful. So I love these cards, guys. And these are all like religious boxes that she photographed and she created. So I love this. Now the stones are pentacles. So this is the Ace of Living Stone. All right, so those are the cards, you guys. I just wanted to give you a quick second run through of the cards because unfortunately the first time I did it, it was very dark. I hope that was enough detail. If it does fuzz out, I do apologize. I can do it again. However, yeah, I'm gonna need to do this with a different tripod. But I just wanted to give you all a quick showing of that deck. I mean, I love this deck, but again, a lot of the photos on this deck can be very, they're not sharp, excuse me. They're not very sharp on this deck, and they can also be very blurry on some of the edges. Some of them did not have enough lighting. Again, Would that deter me in the future from purchasing a deck from her? Absolutely not. I think she's incredible. I love her explanation of the cards. I love her book. I just think she's incredible and I want to be her in my next life. She's fabulous. I do love this. I absolutely do. The bag and everything that you get with it, which it was a bag, you get the book, the deck. I mean, look at the backs, you guys. These are the backs, and I don't even know if I showed that to you on the last video. So this is the back of the deck, just so y'all can get an idea. And just to show y'all, the edges are black and they're matte. Let me show y'all real fast. It's matte black edges, beautiful. And mind you, I've had this for a year and it's still not even anywhere near used up yet. It's beautiful. All right, everyone, I hope you have a good day. That was just me running through a year later, telling you how the deck worked out for me. It works really, really good. If you guys want any information in the future, I will have in the description where you can purchase the deck. It is still available. I think they have a couple left. Okay, so I hope you have a good day. I will talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.